focus now. And of course, this must be the pictures that you would have often seen on social media. This is something that we talk about, Lal Bagh Ka Raja or Lal Bagucha Raja, which has attracted millions of pilgrims every year during the 11-day Ganesh Chaturthi festivities, which is now surrounded with a huge controversy. What you see on your screens is actually a video that went viral, which depicts the stark differences that are now coming in. One, when it comes for the queues for the Aam Aadmi, the common man, and one is for the VVIP treatment that is given to a certain family who is getting pictures clicked. Now, the differences is something that has garnered a lot of criticism, and also the questions that are now being raised, interestingly, when it comes to this very pandal that holds a lot of belief of millions of devotees, which is popularly known as the Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandal. But we also look at the screens. On one hand, the people who are hurriedly rushed within a matter of seconds, they're pulled away from their collars. On the other hand, the VVIPs are conveniently posing for pictures with Ganpati near his feet. Now, this video that has caused a lot of uproar on social media, with the netizens question that why Bappa's true darshans are taking place in the same pandal. Does the Aam Aadmi not deserve the same darshan, the same amount of time of his God as that of a VVIP? Let me go across to Nilesh now. Well, Nilesh, this is a matter of astha, it's a matter of faith. But these pictures that have been coming in, of course, the festivities that have been taking place, there are millions and millions of followers of the biggest. If we talk about the Ganpati Pandal in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, if we talk about Lal Bagh Ka Raja, that has garnered a lot of views on this video that seems to be going viral.
Well, absolutely. This is absolutely shocking and, disrespectful when it comes to devotees who visit these pandals, which are particularly thousands in numbers. And during these 10 days, visitors come across with their faith in heart, not just from state of Maharashtra, but across borders, who visit the Lal Bagh Darbar for seeking blessings. But this is not the first time that Lal Bagh Darbar has been into controversy. The Mandal has been into controversy. For various occasions, such pictures have been emerging, wherein treatments with the devotees have been garnering attention on social media as well. This particular picture, which has been into circulation, reveals how there's a double standard treatment when it comes to devotees reaching out to Lal Bagh Raja for his darshan, wherein one side the bodyguards, the staff members are seen pushing the individuals who are trying to seek their darshan, and these individuals who have been standing in the long queue for more than 18 hours a day, but then get merely 1 or 2 seconds to get a glimpse of Lal Bagh Ke Raja Maharaj. But meanwhile, on the second hand, VIPs, celebrities are garnered huge attention. They are given time to click pictures, record videos at Lal Bagh's Maharaja's feet. So this is a standard which is seen, and also pulling out some serious controversies when it comes to Lal Bagh Maharaja Darshan. We are also trying to reach out to
taking place, of course, with the popularity of Lal Bagh Ka Raja as well. There is a businessman who has posted